Since each key signature can now represent two different keys, then how do we know what key we're in? If we look at this key signature, we know that it can represent G major, or it could also represent E minor. Okay? So the way we determine which key we're in is by looking at the very last note of the piece. If the last note of the piece is a G, then that means we're in the key of G major. If the last note of a piece is E, that means we're in the key of E minor. Now, of course, this is a general rule that doesn't always apply, but for right now, it's a good enough guide. Now, if there's more than one note, like for example, you've got a G, B, and a D, okay, then you look at the lowest note. The lowest note is a G, therefore you're in the key of G major. Okay. Likewise, say you've got this as an ending. Look at the lowest note of the last chord. It's an E, and therefore you're in the key of E minor. Okay. So again, this is just a general rule that doesn't always apply, but it's a pretty good indication of what key you're in. And for the work that we're doing, it'll be just fine. So anyway, do a little practice with this, and then we're going to talk about the scales in the next lesson.